Steven, you shouldn't leave your door unlocked.
That's it. She's got to be stopped. Where did she go? Where did she go? Oh! What in the world is that? Ow! Yuck! Ew! Her dog pooped all over my yard. That is disgusting.
The diamond play button. Yes, I finally found it. Yes, the diamond play button. This is what I've been looking for. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my gosh, you know how hard this has been to find? It's all gonna be good now. Okay, I'm out of here. Victory.
Huh? What? What's that noise? No! She's getting away with my diamond play button!